Hello, I'm Dr. Niecikowski.
Hi, I'm Julie Niecikowski.
So this is another video in our series of doing games that are ideal to develop different academic skills. And this one is going to develop math and science skills. Now, you could have fun playing this with adults, especially if you were to use certain spirits. You can do that, but we're not talking about that today.
No.
So this is called Don't Rock the Boat, and it's still in print. I try to pick games for this series that are still in print. And it's pretty cool. You're going to put the ship together. It's in order to put the game back in the box. It's really easy. You just take these off. And it comes with this here, because it's a stacking game. Now that's the science part of it. You know, you're going to be talking about, you can have a discussion about physics, about balancing. Okay, you'll see on the bottom here, there's that. I'm trying to do it.
Without.
Yeah, without. Okay, so.
There you go.
And I'll show you on camera here, and I'll put it back here a little bit. And so you're going to be balancing penguins. Now look at this long rule book here.
I don't know, it's pretty long.
Anyway, it's for 1 to 4 players.
I actually could read
2
this.
to 4.
I could actually read this rule book.
It's 2 to 4 players, but you could play this solo. So I am going to talk about some
okay.
variants on this. If it's 2 players, it comes with 16 penguins. So each player will get 8 penguins. If you're playing with 3 or 4 players, each player gets 4 penguins according to the rules.
Okay.
Now, you're supposed to play 1 round. And if I put a penguin on here, and then Julie puts on a penguin, and she knocks it over, okay, the person to the left of the person that knocked it over wins that round. Okay, so in a 2-player game, obviously it's the other player. But if it was a 3 or 4-player game.
Okay.
Now we are going to introduce a variant. That's, you just win the game then. We're introducing a variant where we're going to play 3 rounds, and the number of penguins that get knocked off is points. And you don't want points. So after 3 rounds, you want the least amount of points. So let's say Julie did knock that one down. She would have 2 points because 2 penguins got knocked down. Let's say the next round, I knock it down, and there's 6 penguins that were on there when I knock it down. So I would have 6, Julie would have 2. Remember, you don't want points in this variant. So Julie would have a 4 penguin lead, and I would have to try to win the next round. The third round. I'm not sure why you're laughing.
I'm only laughing because I don't do well with these games at all. So don't be surprised when I lose bad.
Yeah.
But I have the best time. It doesn't bother me because my skill I don't have good ninja penguin skills.
Okay, so I'm putting in the center here.
I need one. Thank you.
So I have 3. Oh, I need 1.
Yep.
So here's my camera. If you watched our other videos here are my penguins on my camera. And then here's Julie's penguins.
Mine are all lined up nice.
Oh, I knocked them down.
You were so not nice.
Yeah, I know.
What a tricky butt.
Am I bad?
You are.
I'm so bad.
You are.
All right. So again, this because this is going to develop some basic counting skills, but it's also for science. So I'll go first. And so you just take turns placing penguins.
Okay.
Now Julie's at a little bit of a disadvantage because she's sitting a little further away.
That could be an advantage to me. I don't know.
Now you can stack on the top here, which I will do. All right, so in the normal rules, Julie would have lost that round. We'd play again. But we're playing the version where she has 4 points.
Yay!
Okay. So yeah, this would be great for young people who are just developing counting skills from 1 through 16, 1 through 20, 1 through 10. Oh, you need more, huh?
Yes, thank you.
All right, so I will go next.
You gonna write it down?
Oh yeah,
How
that's
many?
right.
How many penguins did I have?
4.
4.
So this is why we have this here. So Julie has 4. We won't use our fake names.
Yeah. Mom and Dad.
Well, Julie tends to pick names that have to do with actors, and
I'll
pick an actress or a singer. All right, so here I go. I'm going to put it way over here.
Well, I'm putting mine way over here and balance you out.
Well, you can try.
I just did. Look, I didn't fall.
Yeah, so you're at a little bit of disadvantage. You have T-Rex arms.
I do have my little T-Rex arms.
Let's see here. So you got some basic balancing physics here. Okay, so we're going to introduce another variant here. Because Julie's losing very badly. And this is what you do for children, and being a teacher, you think of these things on the spot so that children do not give up, even though Julie's not a child.
No, and I'm not giving up.
But I don't want to give up. So I'm going to play now where I got to put 2 on, and she only puts 1.
Ah, so that means more penguins for me to
Well,
get.
hey, if you mess up then, it's not my fault. I'm giving you a chance. But that's what you can do for younger players that are not so good at this. Maybe, or maybe you set a rule where you put yours on the outside, and you got to put yours, and theirs can go in the middle.
Right.
There's ways to help. So I'm going to be doing 2. And maybe it doesn't help you because there's more to mess you up. Wait, remember
Oh,
I'm doing 2. Which I'll run out sooner. I might have to use some of yours. Yeah, see, you're having a hard time reaching. See? Now let's count up here. How many did I get?
A lot.
Was it? That's okay. We're having fun.
Here we
3,
are.
6, 9, 11. Well, not enough. So after 3 rounds, I got 11. You got 12. I had the least points. But
Good job.
so maybe we just need to do that variant
Yeah.
for you again in the future.
That was fun.
So it's definitely fun. But you can understand how, hint, hint, how you can play this with adults. All right, so that's Don't Rock the Boat. Again, this develops math skills, definitely for preschool, can handle learning basic math skills, kinder.
Well, it says ages 5 and up.
Right, but I said preschool. I think some preschoolers can do it
sure.
too.
Yeah.
But also, too, the science aspect. So thanks for watching. Please check out the other parent and educator videos in this series, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
Hope you guys had fun.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.